Hello everyone, welcome to IMS Gate Academy. Here is a recruitment update, dear students, for you from Bhava Atomic Research Center, bark.gov.in. On the official website, you can see here the latest update. Online applications are invited for admission in BARC Training School against OCES and DGFS 2025. When we will click on that one, we can see this is the detailed brochure will open. So let's check it out, how we can apply, what is the eligibility criteria, okay, and what is the meaning of this OCEF. Okay, I'm telling you OCES and DGFS. So let's see the details here, dear students. What is the grade, pay and pay scale, list of examination, category and date of birth, important dates also. So we will cover everything here. Let's check it out. So first of all, what is this section 1 training scheme and employment description? Okay, so BARC Training School provides two training program. First is OCES 2025. Second is DGFS FS 2025. Okay, so you can see here. Now, what is the meaning of OCES? Means Orientation Course for Engineering Graduates and Science Postgraduates. Second, DAE Graduate Fellowship Scheme for the Engineering Graduates. Okay, using these two or any one of them you want to apply here, then through this you will get a position of a scientific engineer after completion of training also. Okay, so let's see, they mention here clearly कि successful completion of the training scheme guarantees employment as a scientific officer C in one of the DA unit or atomic energy regulatory board with attractive career progression opportunities. Okay, now let's come to the next thing here. So first of all, the OCES program, Orientation Course for Engineering Graduates and Science Postgraduate. What is this? Let's see. So 1 year orientation course for engineering graduates and science postgraduates for the academic year 2025, dear students, will be conducted at the two BARC training schools situated at Mumbai and Hyderabad. Okay, they mention here list of the OCS screening discipline and their corresponding eligibility qualification in the table 1A and table 1B. Suppose I am clicking here. Wait a minute. If I will click here, so it will show you the table 1 and table B. You can see here, this is mentioned below only. So eligibility qualifying degree also they mentioned what is the requirement. Basically they required BE Tech in the branches they mention here with minimum 60% marks. Okay, and second is you should have the GATE scorecard of 23, 24, 25, or if you want to apply without GATE scorecard, then you need to appear with their own online written test. Okay, and then the interview will be there. So they mention here what is this? Key the OCS screening discipline and their corresponding eligibility training schemes at each of the training school. A trainee scientific officer, which is named as in TSO, who score minimum 35% in individual subject and minimum 50% aggregate marks on overall basis of the completion of the training program, is declared to have passed the course successfully, and after training, okay, you will get a position of scientific officer C in one of the following DAE units. They mention the name of the units also. There you can have a position. Okay, you can be post. Okay, now then, okay, now one very important thing they mention here, कि trainee scientific officer TSO in engineering discipline who successful complete the training program and whose performance meets a minimum eligibility criteria are allowed to enroll for the MTech in Homi Bhabha National Institute HBNI, deemed to be university. Other TSO may enroll, okay, you will have this opportunity, or other TSOs may enroll for the post graduate diploma of HBNI and would be issued PGD if their academic performance is above a specific threshold. Okay, so you are having opportunity to doing the MTech also on the stipend. Okay, even they will just have your fees also. They will just pay your tuition fee also. Second is DAE DAE Graduate Fellowship Scheme for the Engineering Graduate DGFS. So this is a 2 year. OCES is a 1 year program and this is a 2 year graduate fellowship scheme for the engineering graduates for the academic session beginning in the 2025. Under this scheme, engineering graduates who have excelled in the selection interviews for the BARC training school program and who have also independently score admission for the MTech in select institutes and specialization as listed in the table 3 in the same academic year in which they are selected for the OCES are paid stipend and tuition fee also to pursue a MTech degree while retaining their employment in DAE. Okay. Now here they mention after successful completion of 1 year course work at the institute, DGFS fellowship undertake project work which is assigned by the DAE. Okay, and during the MTech course, candidates have to be involved in the TA teaching apprenticeship program as per the terms and condition of the DGFS. And after successful completion of MTech, you will get a post of scientific officer C in DAE. Okay, appointment in DAE shall be as a Group A gazetted officer of the Government of India. Okay. So this is surely a very good program, dear students. On joining, they are required to first undertake a 4-month orientation course for DGFS, okay, at the Bar Training School, Mumbai. So then they mention here the details also. Now stipend. So OCES TSO are paid a stipend of 74,000 per month during the period of training and one-time book allowances of 30,000. While DGFS fellows are paid a stipend of 74,000 per month for 2 years and reimburse their tuition fees for MTech and are additionally paid a one-time CG of 60,000 per annum for 2 years to meet MTech project related expenses along with the additional funding sum up to 4 lakh under the BRNS fast track project scheme to pursue equipment. Okay, whatever you want, they will give you the project help also. All right, and here the next thing, this is so very good thing. Then here they are having grade pay. So this is appointment in the all unit shell as a scientific officer C in the level 10, 56,100 of the 7th Central Pay Commission. Okay, and appointment will be at the beginning of the pay scale with OCS TSOs getting 2 or 3 increments depending on their performance during the OCS program. All right, and here you can see one very important thing कि monthly enrollments with 3 increments at the time of joining, including DRNs allowances, house rent allowances, and transport allowances at the present rate will be approximately 1,34,000, dear students. Okay. So they are having some in addition other allowances such as the leave travel concession by air. So lots of the allowances you will get here. Okay. So this is the allowances. Now the selection process. So selection process is having 2 steps. First, on the basis of GATE scorecard. Second, they are having their own screening test. So selection to OCS or DGFS 2025 program is a 2-step process. Screening to shortlisted candidate followed by the selection interviews also there. So there is a separate 2-stage selection process. First is screening on the basis of online exam or GATE scorecard or CEBS or NISR CGPA score. Second, selection interview. For each of the exam discipline, they mention here which branches are eligible here. Okay. Now, first is on the basis of online examination. They are having their own exam. Even they mention in this PDF only they mention the syllabus paper pattern also. So you can see that one. Online examination will be conducted in month of the March. Okay. In month of the March 2025 in each of the 8 engineering discipline OCS. Okay. And candidates who register for the online examination will be allotted one of the preferred center chosen by them. Okay, and they are having CBT. And after that, you will get all candidates appearing for the BARC online examination will be awarded as a BARC online examination score. Candidate will be screened in for selection interview on the basis of their online examination score only. Okay. Second is on the basis of GATE scorecard. So candidates who meet all the eligibility criteria, okay, if you are having valid GATE scorecard of 23, 24 or GATE 2025 score in the applicable GATE subject they mention here, then they will call you for the interview process directly. And then they are having some master's degree in the physics. So this is also eligible. If you are eligible, you can check it out, this one. Candidates may note the following, so please check it out, as the cutoff GATE score for the screening into selection interview will be finalized only after the conclusion of the online examination. Okay. And you can see the details also here. They mention each and every detail. Bacho. So this is a long PDF of 42 pages, which you can see every detail they mention here in the. Okay, so selection interview. So after that, the interview will be there, and the interview probable period of selection interviews during May to June 2025. Exam will be there in the March. Interview will be there in May to June, and even in the April month, you are having option to choose the interview slot. Okay. and this is the official website where you will get, candidates are advised to visit this website regularly, which is this one, barkocsexam.in. This you need to visit regularly for the latest updates. Okay. And here, so selected candidates will be displayed on the website in the last week of the June 2025, and the course will start from the July 2025. Okay. Now the eligibility criteria. What is this? To qualifying degree, you should have BE Tech in which branches they mention here. So for on engineering OC discipline, exam discipline codes, mechanical, chemical, MT, metallurgy, EE, EC, CS, IN, civil, as per the table, and you should have minimum 60% marks in BE Tech, or if you are having a integrated course BE plus or B Tech plus M Tech, so with a minimum of 60% marks aggregate is required here. Okay, and they mention here second is the GATE scorecard. So applicants who meets above mentioned education qualification, okay, GATE score must have 23, 24 or 25 scorecard in the same paper code, whatever you qualifying your degree. Okay. Now this is so clear. Now one very important thing, if the student is having doubt ki ma'am in the 2025 GATE score, so I will appear, then what I will do, so they mention here this detail also ki if you want to appear for the GATE 25 with the GATE 25 scorecard, so you need to choose that separately. Okay, I'm coming to this point. So this is for the chemistry. They mentioned the branch wise also they mentioned for bioscience, for chemistry, for physics. So you can check these details also. And yeah, age limit. Age limit is for the general candidate 26 year, for OBC 29, for SC ST 31, and for the others also they mention, you can see. All right. Now application fees. So a non-refundable application fees of rupees 500 is to be chargeable from the male applicants belonging to the general and OBC category. If you are from woman candidate, candidate belonging to SC ST, okay, belonging to transgender, depends of the defense, or if you are from this category, then you are exempted from the application fees, bacho. Okay. And then yes, here the important thing, कि candidates awaiting final result or appearing in the qualifying exam in the academic year 24-25 or for the GATE 25 may also apply. You can apply here. So if selected candidates who are eligible in all other aspects but are graduating in the academic year 24-25 or awaiting the final result will be allowed to commence training coursework. However, retention of these candidates in the OCS or DGFS program is subject to the mark sheet of their final result. Okay. So it depends on your final mark. So if you want to apply through the 25 exam, you can apply here, bacho, directly. So it depends on your marks. If you will qualify, then they will call you directly for the interview. Okay, so you can see more details are mentioned here. I want to come to the next thing is selection. Yeah, how to apply. No, sorry. Next section is how to apply. You only online application will be accepted. You can apply here. They mention each and every detail step by step. They mention here detail also. First, you need to register yourself. Okay, then you need to. They mention here some flow chart also. Just 1 second. Yeah, here. So first of all, you need to go for preliminary, then register yourself, application, login, then step by step you need to follow these steps and you can just register yourself, bacho. Okay. So here they mention the process and instructions. So please read these instructions before applying. Read each and every line, bacho, which is very, very important, because if you want to apply here, so you should have the knowledge. Even they mention here the branches also, which branches are eligible here. Okay. So you can see, even they mention the GATE scorecard also for in which branch you want. So it's mentioned every detail here, table 1A, 1B, which I was talking about here. Every detail is mentioned here. You can see the details. Okay. And then about the online exam. Yes, they mentioned about the online exam also. The online exam pattern, all questions of the online exam are of objective multiple choice question with only one correct answer. Each correct answer give you 3 marks, while each incorrect answer will give you -1. Okay. So negative marking is there. There will be 100 questions in all. The questions are so designed that a good candidate will able to answer 100 question in 120 minutes. Okay. Yeah, they mentioned the syllabus also. You can check it out, the syllabus. According to this one, some general instructions mentioned. So you can see this detail. Okay. Now, the important things are here. Okay. So they mentioned the branch wise also, which branches are eligible, equivalent branches also mentioned here, you can see. in which branch you want the degree, and then I want to come for the important dates. So important dates are mentioned here at the page number 40, I think. Yes, here it is. Yeah, important dates. So publishing print media advertisement in the 1st January already done. Now commencement of online application process for the OCS and DGFS started from the 2nd January. Last date for applying is 26th January, बच्चों. Correction window for online application will be between 7 to 14 February. Allocation of online exam venue for the candidates who are eligible for the online examination is 15 February to 22nd February. Okay, then you can download the admit card. Online examination there on 8th and 9th March. So after the GATE exam, upload of GATE score 25 for the candidate to apply on the basis of GATE 25. So if you want to apply on the basis of GATE 25, you need to upload your scorecard between 17 to 24th March. Display of list candidates for the selection first week of April. Okay, then they are having the selection interview will be there between 19 May to 13 June. So these are the important dates which you can see, bachcho. Commencement of OCS from the August and DGFS from the first week of the July. Okay, so you can see these details before the, if you want to apply here, so you can apply before the 26th January 2025. As I already told you, the official website, this is the official website. Here you can see the latest update. So through this you can apply. Stay connected to I Must GATE Academy YouTube channel for more such type of updates. Thank you.